Welcome to second section of this course. In this course we will discuss about curve tools. These all curve tools are related to modification in existing curves. So we will start from attach tool. First I create two curves. You can choose EP curve tool or CB curve tool that you want. First I create a curvature like this. Hit enter button and create a second curvature. Click here first and hit enter. So these are two curves. I select first curve and then press shift key and then select second curve. Now I go to curve, attach this setting button. Edit, reset first. There are two methods of attaching to curve. First I choose attach. There is no additional settings. Press apply, or you can also press attach, apply. So these curve now attach. Because keep original checkboxes on, so original curve remains same at the same position. I press undo key, so the position of original curve and newly created curve are little bit different. In this case I select this newly created curve and hit delete key. Select first curve, then press shift and then select second curve. Curve, attach. Now I choose second option, blend. Blend provides some additional options like bias. These provide some smoothness, and the another option is insert node. Insert node provide a add-in point in between that control curvature of this curve. Press apply. So these curve attach in the mid position of original curve. By using blend bias you can control this curvature. Now I want to break this curve in two parts. So first select this curve. Now you need to insert a reference point. That point you want to break. Right click and choose curve point. Insert a curve point anywhere on the curve. Then go to curve, detach. There is no additional option, so you can press. So you can choose directly from here also. So this curve now break into two parts. So these are attach and detach tool. This tool is very useful to modify any curve.